Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into your Google account and going straight to Data and Privacy. Once there, open Web and App Activity and hit pause so searches stop recording to your account. Make sure you also disable the toggle that says Include Chrome History and Activity, because that links local browser actions to the cloud. This is the first actionable step. It prevents new items from being saved while you continue with deeper cleanup and sync controls. Next, you stop Chrome from sending local history to Google by opening Chrome settings, selecting Sync and Google Services, and either turning Sync off or specifically deselecting history. Then clear the laptop's stored data. Open Clear Browsing Data, choose Browsing History and Cached Images, and confirm. Once done, go back to Web and App Activity and set Auto-Delete to a short window like 3 months, or choose off if you prefer manual deletion. To finish, sign out of your Google account in Chrome, or use a guest profile for private browsing, so no local history ties to your account. Make sure the same activity controls are paused on other devices, and revoke any old devices under Account right arrow Security, right arrow your devices. If you still see history appearing, disable suspicious extensions, and check that Chrome isn't signed into another app. Revoke access and reset sync on each device as the key troubleshooting step to force a clean break.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.